Hey guys, welcome to my first video. To give you a bit of background on myself, I've owned about 6 MR2s, turbos and non-turbos, and while I've worked on them I've noticed there's not a lot of great video content around. I will say the forums are quite useful, but they're a bit hard to find exactly what you're looking for sometimes. Anyway, I've decided to try and document some of my builds so you can learn bits and enjoy the car as much as me. So today, me and my mate are fitting a HKS Super Dragger exhaust, which we picked up for 30 quid off some guy in Bridgewater. It's off an Evo 8. The idea is to remove the stock cat and the back box and just make a straight through single exit. I've never personally fabricated an exhaust, and I don't really weld. I've had a few cracks at it, but varied success. So we'll see how this goes.
So I actually missed this part because we couldn't film it yesterday because we didn't have our hands on the cameras. But you need to remove the bolt there, and there is one just above. I can't get my finger there. Just above at the top there. We didn't bother removing the other half of the cat, which I can't film there. Yeah, we didn't remove this side of the cap because we were taking the whole thing off, so there was no need because we were just doing it off this joint here.
So to explain what you just saw, basically the back box goes straight onto the cat, which is connected by 2 bolts to the back box and 2 bolts to the mid pipe. So the first 2 bolts I showed you were the connection to the mid pipe, which is what we removed, as the whole cat and back box were coming off as one piece, and we left the other 2 in place. Now I'm just going to leave you to watch Alan remove the rest of the exhaust, and then we'll get onto the fabrication.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
Hey guys, just want to say thanks for watching. I do apologise about the poor video and audio. I am looking to work on this and make the videos a little more informative on how to do things. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.